Does your computer freeze frequently? Is your computer running slowly? These problems will constantly stress you out. So the main reason for this is excessive RAM usage. If you are suffering from them, this video is for you. Let's see how to solve this problem. In this video, there are a few solutions for it. Try each of them yourself. So if you do that, your problems will definitely be solved. Follow my steps exactly. Let's get started. As the first method, you should stop the unnecessary programs running on the computer using the Task Manager. So now you can see that many programs are running in the background of the computer. Now we need to go to Task Manager to stop those programs. It shows a lot of programs running in the background, and find unnecessary programs and stop them from running. I stop unnecessary programs running on my computer. You should also stop those running on your computer. By doing this, the RAM usage of your computer will be reduced a lot. You can know how much it is from the percentage value at the top. Then we go to the second method. As the second method, open the Registry editor on your computer and change the memory values as needed. So first you have to open the Registry editor. For that you have to search in the Start menu like this and run it as administrator. The Registry editor will be opened like this. After opening it, there is a file named HKey local machine. Now expand it. After opening it, there is a file called System from the files that appear. Expand that too. Then open the Control Set 001 file there. Expand the Services file there. Now you have a lot of files like this, and there you have a file called .du. You need to find it and open it. I'll scroll down to find it. Here is the file. I will open it now. Click on Start in that file. Then a window like this will open. Change the value of 2 to 4 and press OK. Now we need to change the memory management values as well. All the files that I just expanded collapse again and go back. Now open the System file and select Current Control Set. Open the control file there. Expand the Session Manager. Expand the memory management there too. Now click on Clear Page File that shutdown setting in it. Then a window like this will open. Set its value to 1 and press OK. Now let's look at the third method. The third way is to disable the startup type in services. For this you need to open Windows Run. Search Run in the search box. Then Windows Run will appear and open it. Now type services.msc and run it. Then the services window will open like this. Here you will see a lot of services on the computer, and among them you need to find the service named sysmain. Now scroll down and find that service file. Here is that service. Right-click on it and open Properties. Then this window will open. Set its startup type as disabled and apply. Now we go to the fourth method. The fourth method is to scan the computer for viruses and harmful programs using the security software. The steps related to this method will vary depending on the security software you are using, and I will show you how to scan the computer using the Windows Defender. After opening Windows Defender, go to the Virus and Threat Protection section of that window and press the Quick Scan button for Start Scan. The fourth method is to change the virtual memory value accordingly. For that, open this PC and right-click and open Properties. Now open the Advanced System Settings at the top. Then open the Advanced category in the window that opens and open the Visual setting. Then open the Advanced category in the window that opens like this and press the Change button under Virtual Memory category. Now uncheck this and select the OSC disk. Then set its setting to No Paging File. Then give Yes in the dialog box that opens. After that, select Other Disk Drive on your computer. I will select Disk Drive D, then select Custom Size below. Now give the capacity of your PC RAM in megabytes. My PC RAM capacity is 4 gigabytes. So I entered 4096 megabytes. After doing this, click Set to apply. Do the same for other disk drives on the computer. After doing that, click Apply and OK. Now let's see the fifth method. The fifth method is to scan the system using the command prompt. For this, the codes given in Notepad are required. I will put them in the description box. First, search for CMD and run command prompt as administrator. Now copy the first code and paste it into CMD, then press enter. Then the process will start. Wait until it's finished. After the process is finished, paste the second code into CMD and press enter. Now I also copy and paste the code into command prompt. Then a process will start like this. It will take some time. After it is finished, do the third code as before. That is, copy and paste it into the command prompt. Then another process will start and wait until it is finished. After that is finished, copy the fourth code and paste it into the command prompt and press enter. Then the same process will start again. Wait until it is finished. Okay, that process is over. Now restart your computer. Now we go to the sixth method. The sixth method is to analyze and optimize disk drives. For this, first open this PC. Right-click on a disk drive there and open Properties. Then a window like this will open. Open the Tools category on top of it. Then click on the Optimize button. Now select a disk drive and press the Analyze button. Then a process will start on that disk. After that process is finished, click the Optimize button. Then the disk will start defragmenting. Now let's look at the seventh method. The seventh method is to adjust the visual settings for best performance. To do this, first open this PC. Right-click on it and open Properties. Open the Advanced System Settings. Then open the Advanced section of the window that opens. Open the settings under the Performance category. Then mark Adjust for best performance in the window that appears. Then mark and apply only the desired visual settings if you want. Then apply those settings. So these are the solutions to your RAM problem. You can find more solutions for this. Now those problems in your PC is solved. Now, you can do the work on your PC without any problems. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this with your friends. Thank you for staying with us.